Yummies, and today is a glorious day because I just received a package from a spectacular company by the name of Jody's Popcorn. Now I am super excited to get this box open, and I'm going to do that with you guys in just a moment. And I have this wonderful box of goodies from Jody's Popcorn, and I'm going to show you guys just what they've sent me. So let's take a look-see. The first thing is this gorgeous little bag of birthday cake flavored popcorn. What? That sounds awesome. I can't wait to try that. What a cool flavor. The next one I see in here is lemon pepper olive oil. Yum. Lemon pepper olive oil. I'm a big olive oil fan. I use olive oil for just about everything, all my cooking, and lemon. I always love lemon, citrus, so I can't wait to try that one too. Now we've got some cool looking bags. What cool packaging. Chocolate drizzle, artisanal popcorn. Who doesn't like chocolate? I love chocolate, so I can't wait to try this one too. Yum. The next one is, now this is the flavor that started it all for Jody's Popcorn. It's their family recipe. It's called Recipe 53 Caramel Corn. This is the one that started it all. I can't wait to try it. Cool name, Recipe 53. All right, what's next? Jody sent me a lot of things. I can't wait to try all these. All right, kettle corn. Love kettle corn. Little bit of sweet, little bit of salty. Can't go wrong there. The next one is double cheddar. Nice size packages, Jody. I like the size of your packages. Double cheddar. Single cheddar is never enough. Double cheddar is where it's at. Can't wait to try that. Nacho cheese. It's not cho cheese, it's mine. I can't wait to try this one as well. Oops, I'm gonna show you the right side of it. There it is. Cute packaging. Reminds me of going to the carnival or the circus. And the last one here that I'm super excited about because I love peanut butter is their peanut butter. Yum. You don't see peanut butter popcorn every day. Cool flavor. All right, I'm gonna get all these packages opened up and we're gonna come back and sample them, or at least I'm gonna come back and sample them, so hang tight. All right, I am back, and the first one I am gonna try is the peanut butter. Yummo. So I got the package open here, and let's give it a try. Take a look at these. That looks good. Nice size popcorn. I get the peanut butter right away. It's like caramel corn with a peanut butter flair. Crispy, sweet, delicious. I could snack on that watching TV. Yum. The next one that I'm completely intrigued about is the birthday cake. Let's take a taste. Let's get some of the colored ones and some of the regular ones. Look how cute. How cute is this for a little girl's birthday party? With the pink popcorn, or anybody's birthday party. So cute. Birthday cake is exactly what it tastes like. Yummy. Yummy. Cute flavor. Tastes like birthday cake, like you're eating, it tastes like frosting. Frosting birthday cake. You know the white frosting that you get on your birthday cake? That's exactly what it tastes like. Yum, I like that. The next one is the chocolate drizzle. Now I'm super excited about this one. Let me crack this baby open. chocolate drizzle. Oops, I ate it before I showed it to you. Here's a cute little one. It's like caramel corn with a nice chocolate flavor. Yum. I really tasted chocolate right away. Caramelly, chocolatey. Yum. And it's got like white chocolate, it looks like, and regular chocolate. Yum. I could snack on that all day. So good. Jody, so far I've liked all three of the ones that I've opened. Let's open the one that started it all, the caramel corn, recipe 53. I'm excited about this one. Let's crack this baby open. Get it up, there we go. That was easy. Big, delicious kernels, big, delicious kernels of buttery caramel corn. No wonder this was the flagship flavor. It's delicious, really good. Crunchy, buttery, sweet, nice, rich caramel flavor. I can see why that one started it all. Now, we've had some sweet. Let's shift over to the lemon pepper olive oil. I'm a big olive oil fan, as I said earlier. My grandfather used to press olive oil in the old country. Let's give it a try. Yum. I can taste the lemon. Let me see. I have the sweetness in my mouth. Let me see if I can get the olive oil. Made with extra virgin olive oil. It has this depth of flavor in it from that olive oil. It's a nutty flavor, a lemony, nutty flavor. I can tell that even though the olive oil flavor is not distinct, it adds a nuttiness and a depth to the flavor of this popcorn. Really good. That's nice snacking right there. All right, nacho cheese. Always a classic. Let's get some. Let's grab a few. Let's show you what it looks like. Really good. Oh my. Very nice, savory cheddar cheese flavor. That's really good. Really good. Now, I'm always partial to things that are not sweet. Although I love my sweets, I'm partial to things that are salty, savory. I'm partial to this. Nice, rich, cheesy flavor. I like that. Now, let's move on to some kettle corn. Let's see. Yes. Nice, lightly sweet coated with the saltiness. That is good kettle corn. I love the size of the popcorn. The individual pieces of popcorn. Those are some good kernels. Sweet and salty, who doesn't like that? Always a winning combination. This is no exception. It's delicious. All right, and last but not least, double cheddar. Yeah. One cheddar is never enough. You need double. Let's see. Let's check that out. Now, it says double cheddar. How on earth do you make cheddar double? They have figured it out. Somehow or another, this is cheesier than your average cheddar. There's other things at play in here. Somehow, it's not overly salty. It doesn't taste overly processed, but somehow the cheddar flavor is deeper and richer. Double cheddar. Artisanal popcorn. You guys aren't kidding, Jody. This is some good popcorn. Love it. Jody's popcorn. Your popcorn is fresh and some quality kernels. So thank you so much for sending me those free samples. I enjoyed them immensely, and I hope that you guys will visit them at jodyspopcorn.com. Check them out and see where you can purchase their popcorn because it is so darn good. All right, I will leave some links below that you guys can link and shop, as well as visit their website. So check us out and subscribe to Neda's Nummies. Thanks again, guys. See you next time.